Tonight, don't scroll aimlessly. Don't rush. Just pause and listen. Because this message was meant to reach you. The universe doesn't make mistakes. If you're hearing my voice, it's because your soul is asking for something deeper. A sign, a reminder, a spark. Maybe you're feeling tired of the unknown, or you've been carrying a pain no one understands. But here's the truth you forgot. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are being guided. Every delay, every silence, every heartbreak was part of a bigger alignment. The universe is preparing you, not punishing you. The signs you've been seeing, the numbers, the dreams, the gut feelings, they aren't coincidences. They are sacred messages, and you've been chosen to hear them. Not everyone listens, but you did. And that means your time is near. Tonight, close your eyes, breathe in light, and let go of what you were never meant to carry. Tomorrow, something shifts. This was your divine sign. This is Divine Signs by PK, and this message was for you.